You got lazy kids? Me too. So what are we going to do about it? I'll tell you what, coming up in this video, I've got 10 legit ways how they can make money. Stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm J Roberts, Geeky Dad, and this is Building My Empire. I teach videos on how to make money online, as well as some offline. So if you like this kind of stuff, please subscribe and let me help you build your empire. So what's coming up in today's video, guys, is I'm going to explain or give you 10 different legit ways how your lazy kid can make money, start earning his keep. Okay, getting used to the real world, guys. Now they're not in any particular order. I'm just going to give you 10 different ways. Number 1, window cleaning. Now it doesn't have to be climbing any ladders and falling off, suing people, getting injured. What you can do though, you can go around a bucket, brush or sponge, I should say, and just do the bottom ones. Go around to flats, go around to, not flats, bungalows, old people's homes where they live on the ground floor. There's lots of ways. Go around, get a couple of quid, wash some windows. You can get them brushes with extendable hoses now, so no excuse as they get them out there, washing windows, cleaning windows, guys. Number 2, pretty much similar, clean cars. There's thousands of cars, lots of cars always parked up. Go around knocking on your neighbours' doors, asking people, putting up banners asking do they want the cars washing. Yeah, couple of quid here and there. Wash 2 or 3 cars in less than half an hour. Make some money. Good little way, get your friends involved, start your own little business. Number 3, clear rubbish. Get rid of all the litter, clear rubbish, all the garbage, sweep up leaves, yeah, tidy people's gardens basically. Get rid of it all. A couple of bin bags, a brush, maybe a little shovel. You and your mate earn some money. Yeah? Go around knocking on your neighbours' doors, clean all the, especially around winter time when they don't want to go out in the garden, so clear the gardens for them. All that wind blowing all the rubbish and litter around. You go and tidy it up, earn some pennies. Number 4, this is more on the computer, video editor. So you're always playing on the computer games, you're always on the computer, yeah, so turn it into cash. Do some video editing, learn a new skill. Some people ain't got time to edit the videos, so they'll resource it out to other people, yeah, and it's mainly like people in like the Philippines and stuff like that, so why not jump on board and you do it for a bit cheaper and a bit more money. 5 is another one online, is Photoshop. Now we're always got our phones, so download a couple of apps what you can do some photo editing and photoshopping on it and earn some money. So because like again, we ain't, us creators, yeah, us business people, we ain't got time to do all that. As much as I'm a geek and I like doing all that, I ain't always got time to do that. So a couple of quid to someone, yeah, earn a bit of keep, yeah, happy days. You're always on your phone anyway, you might as well make some money out of it. It doesn't take 2 seconds sometimes to just put a picture up, draw a line around it and photo edit it. So think about it, guys. Think outside the box. Number 6, this one's a little bit hard to get. It is paper round, yeah? Become a paper boy, paper girl. Yeah, get on your bike, cycle around delivering papers. No throwing the papers though, guys, yeah? They want them through the letterbox. So yeah, put your name down at a local shop and be on the waiting list. Forget it. When I was younger, we used to have like, used to be about 4 or 5 different rounds, like doing different areas, yeah, in the morning time, and at night time pretty much the same. And at one point, yeah, I'd say I had them all in the morning. So I had every single round in the morning, and I think I had them all bar one in the evening. And then come weekend, I'd do the paper round as well on the Saturday and the Sunday. I'd even get up early on the Sunday, jump in my local shopkeeper's car and go picking the papers up with him. You know, it's a lot easy money, guys. Delivering a few papers takes about half an hour the most on a night or a morning, and then you get paid at the end of the week. Happy days. Number 7, got to be extra careful with this one, yeah. There's a lot of like wrong ones out there, so you've got to be careful. With this one is look for local services, like look in the shop windows, look in local papers, on like Facebook groups. Yeah, your local papers and that, and like just look for services, what people want. Some people might like, they might be advertising like they want someone to sweep the garden, they might be advertising they want someone to go to the local shop from, they might be advertising they want something creating on the computer. You know, they can't always, some people don't want to pay for like your big ads, so they'll use the local services, yeah, because they might want someone local to do it. So keep an eye out, guys. Like look in the shops, look in the papers, look for leaflets, word of mouth, yeah. You could even create your own leaflets advertising what you can do and what you want, what you charge, etc., and post it through people's letterboxes. Excuse me, guys. Number 8, you could sell stuff to your friends at school. Yeah. Now I used to do this a lot. My mum used to go shopping not your major supermarket, but like a cheaper one. So she used to go there and used to get like copies of chocolate bars. So then I'd take them and then I'd sell them to my friends on the way to school. And they'd offer to buy them. So I weren't exactly like robbing them or conning them, because I told them straight that they can get better chocolate bars in the shop. But no, they wanted to buy mine. So then the entrepreneur inside me, I decided, yeah, I'll sell it, I'll make a little profit. So I used to take more from home, sell them to my friends, and then it gave me more ideas. I could make other things. So just stuff like gum. You could sell them gum. When you gum, chocolate, toys, like marble. If you had marbles, you'd sell your marbles. If they wanted certain ones, we used to collect something called pogs or pods. I can't remember. Pogs, I think it were, little round things. And yeah, so I'd collect them and I'd sell them on. Stickers, like when you football stickers and stuff like that. Cards, yeah, sell them all on. Like, just find ways to make money, guys. That's what I do. And as you get a bit older, I shouldn't be telling you this, but I used to buy cigarettes. I don't smoke. I used to buy cigarettes, and then when we was at school and people ran out of cigarettes and they wanted to buy, I'd sell them. But instead of selling them for like cheap, I'd put the price up because they were in demand. People wanted them, so I'd make more money. Yeah. But I don't recommend that one, guys, because we don't want people smoking. It's disgusting. Number 9, yeah. Ask your family members and your neighbours and that for any junk items they don't want, and have like a little jumble sale outside the garden. You know, when I was a kid, we used to set up a little stall outside the garden, put loads of like stuff on we didn't want, and sell it. People walk past and you'd be surprised how many people bought it. And yeah, so you could do that. You could do a car boot if you got a parent to go with you, but it's probably much safer to just do it outside the garden. Just get a little blanket or a little table, put all your stuff on that. What we used to do as well as a kid, we used to buy some pop, squash, yeah, cordial, and then sell drinks. So kids would be playing in the street, and because it was nice weather, they'd run up to us, get some money off their mum, yeah, I don't know, a couple of pence, and buy a drink off us. We used to buy ice pops, crush them into like, so they were all like ice and like slush, put them in a cup with juice in it, and sell them. We had all sorts of ideas going on, guys. You've got to think outside the box and earn some money. I know these are a lot like, some of these are like for younger kids, but some of these are like older kids as well. So yeah, and then number 10 is online. Yeah, well, all you kids out there who are being lazy, yeah, start a podcast, start a YouTube channel, go on Twitch and stream your games. They're all 3 ways how to make money. Yeah, I've got an account on Twitch, and on my birthday, I did some live streaming. I've done it for about 4 hours, yeah, and I made £70. Yeah, that's how easy it is. And I don't even play games that much, and I'm rubbish, yeah. So, but they still donated. That's on Twitch, yeah, guys, check it out definitely. And YouTube, you don't have to have, now to get paid by ads. Yes, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, yeah. But you don't need to have that to make money. You can put affiliate links in, yeah. There's lots of different affiliate programs out there you can put into your description. There's lots of ways you can make money on YouTube, and I'm going to start doing some videos on that. So keep an eye out for that, guys. And then yeah, podcast. When you start building up an audience, people start hearing about you and that. You can start putting in affiliate links. You can start getting sponsored deals. You can start putting adverts on your podcast and that, guys. There's lots of ways you can make money. I've covered a few on my channel so far, but I've got plenty more to come. But these are just like 10 legit ways you can make money. Yeah, you don't have to invest into anything unless the last one you haven't got a computer or a games console and that. Yeah, but apart from that, every other 1 to 9, you don't need any money. Go out, wash cars, go out cleaning rubbish. You even go walking someone's dog, yeah. Do errands for people. Go grocery shopping. Go to a local shop for the paper. If you're a bit older, your mum and dad lets you. Do some painting. Paint the fence. Hammer and nails. Build something for them. Yeah. Just gotta think outside the box, guys. There's lots of money to be made out there. Yeah. While you're young, you might as well make some. You want these new computer games coming out, you want them new trainers. They're not going to buy themselves, are they? Yeah? The bank of mum and dad hasn't got limited, I don't know what you call it, a bottomless pit of money, has they? No. Start earning your money. Stop being lazy. Get off your butts and earn some money. And I'm talking to my kids there. Yeah? I've got 2 lazy ones. Lucas and Logan. Both lazy. So that being said, guys, if you got any value from this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you've got a lazy kid. Yeah, we'll get them all out there. Yeah, all the lazy kids, we'll name them, shame them. Yeah. So anyway, that being said, guys, thanks very much for watching, and if you like this video, let me know if you want any more of these kind of videos, because I actually enjoyed doing that one. So thanks very much for watching, guys. Until next time, I'm J Roberts, Geeky Dad, and this is Building My Empire, helping you build your empire. Goodbye.